Hi everyone, welcome back to the video down here on Avenida Mediterranea today. Just bumped into some lad on his holiday. He saw my good friend Nick McGrath first, then he just said, alright, love to mum. And he said he ain't seen his lad this happy since they brought him a puppy. So that's what Benidorm does for you guys. Now I have got to be kind of careful today. There are a lot of gypsies about, because there's been multiple gypsy weddings today as well, guys. Well, there's been one today, more to come apparently. So it is pretty heaving around here with gypsy families. Well, yeah, travellers. Some news. Benidorm's Poniente Beach has been closed due to a 2-metre great white shark washing up on the beach. Not something you hear every day in Benidorm, that.
Don't think it was a great white, I think it was a blue bottle nose or something.
Okay, not too sure what shark it is, but I mean, end of the day, a shark's a shark, probably causing quite some distress down there. Now, before I do forget, a very huge thanks goes out to Marion Fisher and June for the very generous donation. Let's just say, when I opened my PayPal and saw how much had been donated, I was quite gobsmacked, to say the least, guys.
He cried, he was emotional.
Yeah, well, that's a bit emotional. Looks like the coppers have had a bit of an accident there. Where'd they gone? Yeah. Oh, looks like something's kicking off over at the hairdressers. Probably like gypsies. Probably travellers are staying in them apartments, and there's probably been some just partying a bit too hard. Not too sure. Anyway, head on over and check out Benidorm Mike's channel. Check out the Benidorm Bolt as well, which is his second channel, where, believe it or not, last night he done his first full 2-hour live stream on his own with no one to help him.
Check out his live stream tonight.
Yeah, check out his live stream tonight, 8 PM here in Spain, 7 PM in UK. Gonna be a good laugh. It's quite a hot one today, even though it is overcast. Just going down Mediterranea now to get me Liverpool shirt. Hopefully, if they've got it in my size. If not, I don't mind. Just thought I'd come out, do a bit of work while we're down here as well, guys. Don't forget to check out Benidorm Skaters' channel as well, guys, for Benidorm from the view of a mobility scooter. We are just coming up to Hotel Mapla Rialta now. or weirdo, however you want to pronounce that, guys. Just up there. Not sure if you can see that. Looks like someone's had a Burger King delivered. Don't really blame him. Hola! Got some more fans there. Can't help being a Benidorm celebrity, can ya? Big shout out goes out to Lindsay Nolan as well, one of our new fans. Hopefully I've pronounced your name right, darling. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy. Coming down past the Four Kings bar now.
And a big shout out to the fabulous. Right about Benidorm, Jamie,
There you are. Yeah.
who made an offer to get Marcus's football shirt today, but unfortunately Marion Fisher beat him to it. But thank you very much, Jamie. You're always appreciated. Can't wait to see you, mate.
I cheers Jamie, mate, for the offer to get me shirt. You are a bit late, but don't worry, pal. We still do appreciate the offer. You're a good lad with the biggest heart I've seen. You got a heart of gold, my old friend. Can't wait till you're back in Benidorm, because if I remember rightly, it's your round.
It's always poor Jamie.
Only joking. I'll buy you a pint. You deserve it, lad. Some of the stuff you do just brightens up me day. Anyway, gonna love and leave you here. Adios. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.